students, today I am going to explain you standard 12 chapter number 1 of accountancy, introduction to partnership. Here partnership is the things that a person have to commence the business. Here one definition is given by the Companies Act 2013. So here partnership is the relation between the persons who have agreed to share the profit of the business carried on by all or any one of them acting for all. So here two or more than two people have to come together to start the business. So with only one person sole proprietorship is possible. So two person or more than two person have to be commenced the business. Here agree to means all the partners have to be agreed to start the business, to continue the business. And then next is the motive is to profit. If the motive is not the profit, then it is called the social services. And here all business can continue with all or on behalf of all. Anyone can start, manage the business. Okay, some characteristics we have to see over here. One is creation by the contract. Contracts are of oral or written. All the partners have to come together to start the business with oral consent or a written consent. Next is a profit objective. Whenever businesses have to be started, it have the objective of the business profit only. Then legal business. Illegal activities are not allowed in the our country, so legal business have to be only carried out by the business. Then agent of each other. All the partners have to be agent to each other, means nobody have to be hide anything to each and every person. Number of partners. Okay, so here the Partnership Act, according to that 1932, minimum two people have to be come to start the business. Here according to the Partnership Act 1932, number of people have to be 100, minimum 2 and maximum 100. And then afterwards have to be changed 2014, and number of people have to be decreased. Maximum number of people have to be 50. So now we have the rule minimum 2 and maximum 50 people have to come to start the business. Unlimited liabilities. Liabilities of the business have to be unlimited. Means all the partners, if profit they all have to bear, if they all have to share, and if loss have to be bear, then all have to be part for that. So liabilities are unlimited, means they have to sell their personal property and to pay the debt. Then ownership and management of the business. Business have to be started with all the partners, so that business have to be carried out by all or on behalf of all. One can manage the business. Now we have the partnership deed. Here some points are there in the partnership deed. Means that is before starting the business, all partners have to be made the contract, and in the contract partnership deed have to be made. In that first is a detail of the partners, means name and address of the partners have to be included. Next is a detail of the firm, means firm's name and address have to be mentioned. Type of business, means which type of business, it is of chemical, production based or whatever, that have to mention over here. Commencement of the business, means when the business have to be started, that have to be mentioned. Capital, which partner have to bring how much capital, that have to be mentioned over here. Then interest on capital, means owner whenever bringing the capital to start the business, that is called the capital. And whenever partner have to be entitled for the interest or not, that is also mentioned in the partnership deed. Then drawings, whenever partner have the necessity for the personal use, so they can withdraw from the business, so it is called the drawings. And interest on drawing, whenever how much amount have to be withdrawn, on that interest have to be decided in advance. Then distribution of the profit and loss. Generally profit and loss according to the capital have to be divided. Otherwise when any mention is not mentioned anywhere, so that partners have to be divide profit and loss in equal proportion. Otherwise they have to decide in advance how much proportion. Then salary, bonus etc. have to be decided by the person if it is entitled, and partner have to do the extra work. For that they have to mention. Then interest on loan. Interest on loan is not decided, and if it is decided 10% or more than 10% have to be decided. So that is, if it is not mentioned at all, 6% have to be according to the law, interest on loan. Then goodwill. Goodwill means the reputation of the business. How much is the goodwill? Whenever partners have to be admit, how much goodwill have to bring. Whenever partner have to be retirement to leave the business, at that time how much a person have to get the goodwill. So goodwill is very important, and its calculation is further in our study. Then dissolution of the firm means a firm have to be closed down, wind up. Whenever business continues have to be loss making, at that time dissolution may possible. With all the partners consent, dissolution is possible. So these are included in the partnership deed. Thank you.